Yeah, some out here in the world made marvelous chair. Should I say marvelous throwback chair? And sunflower seeds. Man, that chair is not comfortable. It's way too flat. Yeah, sunflower seeds. Nice area of building. Yeah. Yeah, you're definitely fine. And it's all salt. Sunflower seeds are good. Yeah, I see it described that comes by. I see that sign. I want to talk to them. Can't do an art side anymore. I'm too cold. Hey, whoever made marvelous look, I'm sure it looks good, but I think it's that comfortable. Yeah. Now it's Jesus Leach over there. That's whoever made there. I don't have much to say. And we're warning trucking hazard bars. I had a train coming out too. Exactly. Yeah, Brian's an experienced here. Fucking wind. Jeez. Holy shit, you have to pull that fucking way? Jesus Christ, it's windy out here. Because just then God showed up. I mean, he sure did. Street and look for chairs today. And I'm like, yeah, fuck that, I'm ready to hydrate. So I gotta go over there, I'm just gonna mess myself up again. Like, plus I didn't go over there last week. And if I go there this week, there's gonna be anything, I'm something maybe missing, I'm gonna freak out. So let's go. Fuck it, don't even go over there anymore. Yeah, really. Yeah, fucking salt. Like that. I'm gonna run. Hey, you hear that, bullies? Brian Roper doesn't give a fuck about it anymore. And just get to a certain age, just learn not to give a fuck. And you say what you want, Brian don't give a fuck anymore. Yeah. He's your old boss. Wood chip. One wood chip's getting there. Yeah, it's chunky now. That's significantly far over there. I get the volume on so when the camera shuts off the record. It'll beep at me, I don't know. It's on now. Man, it's definitely stopping everybody. Man, it's definitely something unique. Huh? It's just out there for these 2 days. So a lot of people see it. She went a little hard. Huh? Yeah, plastic just has so many dang letters. Just some PL period. Insurance. I thought maybe I just put plastic chairs on it, but I never know what that means. You know, that plastic chairs, what? He's selling them, but does he want them or what? Yeah, it's just one scenario. There's a file with that's not a fire whistle. A couple of them going off. An accident or something. I think Hawk's running up. There's enough. Fuck that number. sunflower seeds. Some want to eat. Yeah. See what else I got in there to eat. Yeah, you know exactly what it is. The table there. I mean, geez. Really good. Wait, don't you know? Fire department. Snake clear over there. 16 minutes. Trying to learn what happens when he doesn't eat and exercise like heck. He's still hydrated but he's sick. Exactly. Oh, I like doing that. It's badass. An accident or something. Like a cold or something coming up. You want that one? You want that one? Oh, it's up the clay pipe now. I don't know where the fire is. And there's a fire there. It's still gone. It's not even going down the clay pipe towards St. Agnes. Yeah. I haven't changed smoke or nothing. You never know what the hell that fire was going to go off for. Really? I mean, fuck. Brian Key's not for it like that. It's not very nice. Some people don't appreciate that language with using it. And I still hear sirens going way off. Yeah. Maybe you boys are gonna make all the noise to distract me. Have at it. Piss everybody off over there. Give me my fucking gas. this stuff for school bus. Man. Right, that's not the shit I'm stuffed. There's a mean school bus again. It's that mean engine. Nice little snack there, I'll tell you what. Yeah. I don't know. Just block it a little bit though. That'll definitely get your attention now. Well, that's perfect. That's beautiful. Just beautiful. You don't sound sarcastic there. So even a 70-mile per hour wind probably didn't remember that pulls about 100 pounds. I'm just not driving screen. Nails that some bitch go. I mean, that's badass. That's not even going fast, it's not like that. I mean, you ain't gonna miss that. That's not even going fast, it's not like that. That's really badass, jeez. Gosh, it's nasty. The bus sounds so mean, I love that engine sound. Almost like a train going on the street. It's definitely a new model, man. That thing is nuts. You call them automobile? What do you call that? A damn fine automobile? Ain't close enough. Bus, car, who cares? Truck, who cares? Still a damn fine automobile. You think you hate it, but wait till you drive it, man. There's no way you can miss that. It's taking on bites in your face. I see a couple dead trees around there. They look nasty. So we're losing all pine trees. They're all dying. Those two pine trees are dying. That pine tree down there's dying. They don't look too healthy. Oh man. Oh. Man. Had about enough of this crap. Yeah, but good thing comes to those who wait. He comes by with a truck full of passengers. And you'll see that, I waved to him, maybe there could be some logs or something back of that truck or something. Yeah, that'd be great. Say a rouse thing goes by you if you go past it. I have a hard time seeing that, you know. Yeah, everybody's looking at it like, what is that? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, really? I bet you're pretty damn proud of yourself there, Brian. You bet your ass I am. Almost sounds sarcastic. Probably. He saw it too. Right. It's hard to miss, Brian. I mean, really. Come on, somebody to visit me about that tonight. Okay. And that door blew shut. Hear that door blew shut down there? So you got the windows open, it's windy. And you get that big draft through your house, the door goes boom. I mean, bust the door frame one day in my house. Okay. I know Cher's my favorite. Yeah, Cher's making me not more of a sickness. Cher's not very comfortable compared to the others. I mean, I only sat in that one, and this one. I haven't tried those other two yet. Yeah. I think they'd be that much better looking on camera. Yeah. I'm sitting here looking at a sling rocket chair. See how the armrests are like buckled or it's rusted. Yeah. Not that cheap Chinese piece of crap right there, probably. Everyone I'm sure is made in China. Oh, there's plastic chairs. Made in USA, made in USA, made in USA, made in USA. Oh, made in USA. This junk, made in Chingchong Change, China. Wasn't like over in China they have like wood or something, so they gotta ship this crap all the way over there. They make it and bring it back here. That's stupid. I was thinking of something else I could say, but I'm not gonna say it. It's just not very nice. Yeah. And plastic shirts, I don't think made in USA. Well, their metal stuff's like made in China junk. Yeah. Not busting it. Look at this. Man, that thing is screaming, jeez. I'm busting a hole in ass. Yeah. And if that's a bully making that dog bark knock stuff out, can piss everybody out in town off. I don't care. They ain't gonna stop me from doing shit. Yeah. I was gonna say a few nice words here, but I'm not going to. Yeah, shit happens. Looking until he makes you stronger, I would say. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. Yeah, that's funny, so. And if that's you making him bark over, go right ahead, knock yourself out. Make that dog bark all fucking day, piss off everybody in town. He ain't gonna stop me. Bust some street blood. It's gonna have a big hole in there, man. I think it's going ass. Engine's so loud. Yeah. Well, I tell you, we dodged all them big ass storms. Every single one of them missed us. Other places got destroyed by storms, we got nothing. All went around us. Man, I just don't care anymore. You can say whatever you want about me. Does it stop me yet? Hell no. Really? I mean, it's trashed it. Lots of things are going wrong in Brian's life right now. He's not happy. But I need to find like an engineering girl. Yeah. And then somebody make millions with design stuff. And I'll get the hell out of here and never come back. You'll never see me again. take out to the middle of nowhere. I mean, not middle of nowhere. We'll pick a great location, man. I'll go build my plastic chair museum. Make it huge, and it'll be great. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know about these marketing girls and all that. These manager girls, I don't think so. Not my type. And you're doing the business stuff. And how much you engineering? I like that better. And nothing calling them business people, except like an engineer or something like that. You won't waste my time. Hey, Mr. Comcast guy, you come by to Sony and get some cable for the TV that I don't even watch anymore because it's stupid. You know what I mean? You give me internet, forget that TV, and that TV's a waste of my time. That TV just makes you dumber. You know, I've never watched that TV. I barely watch it anymore because you dumb you watch it crap. Yeah, that's good stuff. Yeah, real quality material here we're filming. Bet the viewers will love that. You know, really? You know, I look at this person I have a crush on. I'm like, Brian, you'll never be able to handle any time, bro. You would never get along with somebody like that. So you need somebody like an engineer that can build stuff. You partner up with him, you can make millions. You can get somewhere in life. Instead of sitting here on your ass all day feeling sorry for yourself, and really, gotta quit doing that. I mean, really. It's just fucking wonderful, bro. So you hear me? Yeah, so here, this is who I am. And Brian Roper. Building stuff to get away from stress and pains in life. Oh, he's cussing up a storm, dropping an F-bomb here and there. It's Brian Roper. That's the way he is. Plain and simple. Badass and savage as hell. And that's Brian Roper for you. He's out there riding his bike 100 miles an hour, no helmet, no shoes. Just keep throwing caution in the wind, like you always do. You're out in the back plane with the power lines making these big arcs. You're standing out there with bare feet. It's like, yeah, that's a good one. You're out there with an angle grinder, like fixing into the train track. You're out there in bare feet and you're just shooting sparks at yourself. So that's a good one. And as long as it's not hitting me in glasses, I can use an angle grinder all day long. You can hit me all at once. Just don't get them sparks in my glasses.